B for C for D for E for F for G for grapes. H for I for J for K for L for M for mango. N for nest. O for P for Q for R for S for T for शेप बताया ना उसने. U for बेटा U umbrella. B for Ben. W for watch. X for by for yak. Z for